What up, guys? Fat Boy R6 out here in the Challenger. Today I'm gonna be out here. I'm gonna be so when I bought the car, you know, nobody uses, like, I don't use the Vanity, you know, like that. I don't use that. My wife uses it though, but she was in the driver's side one day, and before we left, she decided that she was gonna, you know, do her thing in the mirror, you know, like every woman does. And I didn't notice it when I bought the car because I don't never use it. But look, now what is that? Well, that's all right, because I went back to the dealership, and the dealership said, you know, no problem. You know, we'll take care of it. Just tell me what side you need it for, and we'll get it ordered in. And look at this. It came in, so it looks like it's a little bit bigger. But anyways, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna install a sun visor with the Vanity light and everything in there. It shouldn't be too hard. I think it's just, you know, 1, 2, 3 stars, or hex screws, whatever you want to call them. We'll do that, and then we'll see how it turns out. So I'll be back. I'll let you know how it turns out. We'll go from there. Alright, so let me stick this in here. Get one. And trust me, guys, I got a lot more things I want to do here with this car. We'll see how things go. Next thing is going to be exhaust, and I'll do a video on that as well, because this thing, for being an RT, too quiet for me. There we go. Light. Really? Whatever. I got a new one, so it don't matter. Anyways, so you got 3 screws. You need one of these little star drivers. You got 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you gotta find out. It should have a little thing in here where you can disconnect it, but that's where we're at right now. So I'm gonna need 2 hands to find out this other part. So I will be back. All right, guys. Woo. I'm back, and here's the outcome of when you get it all taken apart. You have this little thing. They don't give you much room to play with, so you got to kind of just, they have this tucked up inside here. But I just went ahead and just pulled this down a little bit. I mean, I could have took this out, but I got enough room to get up in there, so I can get this down a little bit. But now I gotta find my other piece. I lost it somewhere. I don't know how I lost it, but it's up here somewhere. It's just a little thing where these 3 screws, it lines up with these 3 screws holes up here, and I don't know, we'll find it, but I'll be back. Alright, guys, so I'm back. I got the new one on, getting ready to put the last screw in it, and you know, I don't have to worry about a broken mirror now. I can't believe I didn't check that, but, you know, who does? I mean, I don't ever check it because I don't ever use them. But anyways, I'm just tightening these down right now. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, bam, the new one. How to install a sun visor with vanity mirror, whatever you want to call them. Easy. Except for when you get in here, it's a little tight when you try to find the plug that you have to unplug. But anyways, guys, I'll definitely do an inside of this vehicle soon. Which I know my first video I put out of the Challenger, it didn't. I was using the wrong camera. I think this would be a better camera to get the inside and all the details and all that stuff that you guys didn't get to see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You can share, whatever. Anyways, it's Fat Boy R6 with the 2014 Challenger Hemi RT. Now, I'll probably be doing the Fat Boy RT, you know, when I do these videos with the car. So call me whatever. I know who I am. You guys know who I am. So anyways, you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.